Welcome back to Miss Max Academy. We're in Chapter 17 Quiz A, prompt number 6. Let's take a look at the prompt. Surprised by the low number of type B blood donors at the blood drive, the American Red Cross wonders if the 11% estimate was too high for your area. How many type B blood donors would it take to convince you that this estimate might be too high? Justify your answer. Well, we know that based on question number 5, we estimated that the mean or the average number of type B blood donors we'd expect in a blood drive with 150 people, the average was about 16.5 donors. So we'd expect any number plus or minus 2 standard deviations from that 16.5 to be an unusual occurrence, which would tell us that maybe that 11% estimate was too high for the area. So again, we estimate for a population of 150 donors, our average number of donors with type B blood would be about 16.5 donors. And anything beyond plus or minus 2 standard deviation from the mean would be unusual if 11% was a good estimate. So we're going to take our mean, which was 16.5 donors in question number 5. We are going to subtract 2 times the standard deviation, which was also given to us in question 5, or which we found in question 5, of 3.83 donors. So 16.5 minus 2 times 3.83 is approximately 8.84 donors. Well, what does that mean to us? What does that answer tell us? What is the context here? The answer tells us that if there were fewer than 9 type B blood donors, then the 11% estimate of type B blood donors might be too high for the general area. Again, and I said fewer than 9 because 8.84 is either 8 donors or 9 donors. So anything less than 9 would be 8 donors, because obviously you can't have 0.84 people. Again, so in context, if there were fewer than 9 type B donors, then the 11% estimate of type B donors might be too high for the area. That's it. Tune in again next time for Miss Max Academy.